Hey guys, this is Marshall over at poolwarehouse.com, and today we're checking out the Riptide slide from Global Pool Products. This slide is awesome. It looks like it's a commercial slide. It's not, it's a residential slide. You can put this in your backyard. You don't have to have any kind of special paperwork to get this installed, even with how big it is. And you can see it is a pretty huge slide. It's 7'8" at the top seat. I'm about 6 foot tall. You can see this is it's a pretty big slide. The flume length is over 12 foot long, so from the seat all the way out the exit, it's over 12 foot long of a slide. So it's an awesome residential slide, super fun to go down. My favorite thing about this slide is that the plumbing, all of the PVC, the valves, everything is, you see that it's not exposed. Everything is inside of the staircase. The way Global's done it, where your piping and everything will come out for the water to go down the slide. It's all hidden within the staircase. There's a nice little port here at the top with a plate that comes out that you could turn a valve to turn the water on and off. And this slide will spit out 25 gallons per minute of water, so no worries about skin burns going down the slide. It's plenty of water flow to make sure you're slick going all the way through the exit. Another really cool feature about this slide is you don't have to have pre-existing anchors in your concrete. There are bolts that go into the concrete, so you'll still drill holes, you'll still mount bolts into the concrete, but you don't have to have the big 2-inch anchors already in your concrete. So if your concrete's already poured, that's okay. You can still put this slide on your pool. And at Pool Warehouse, our favorite thing about these slides is that they're made right here in the USA. If you have any questions about the Riptide slide or any other Global Pool products, give us a call or reach out to us over at poolwarehouse.com.